Hello, friends and family. Welcome once again to Abinasia's Recipes. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you're a new subscriber, thank you and welcome to the family. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you how I cook my Ghana rice and beans, or Waakye as we call it. Authentic Ghana rice and beans. All right, let's get right into the ingredients. I have 4 cups of jasmine rice, 1 pound black eyed peas, my sorghum leaves, 4 tablespoons of butter, salt and baking soda. All right, so we'll begin by washing our black eyed peas thoroughly. Please make sure to wash your beans very well before using it for your rice and beans. It is well washed, and I'll transfer my beans into a bowl. I'll then add water and soak it for about an hour. And now it is time to wash our sorghum leaves. All right, so we don't know who handled it or how it was handled. So please make sure to thoroughly wash your sorghum leaves before adding it to your rice. Okay, so our beans has been soaked for about an hour. And then I rinsed it again, and I'm adding about 9 cups of water to my beans. We'll be using the same water to cook our rice. All right, so now our beans is been boiling, and I'll check if it is cooked enough for me to add my sorghum leaves. Yes, it's looking good. And then we'll go ahead and add in our sorghum leaves. The sorghum leaf is really good for us, guys. All right, so we'll add it to our water, and then it is actually good at reducing inflammation due to its antioxidant properties, guys. So please use it for your waakye when making waakye at home. Okay, and then we'll add in our baking soda, which will help bring out the beautiful color of the sorghum leaves. All right, we'll cover and then let it cook just for about 20 minutes. Our beans is been cooking for 20 minutes together with the sorghum leaves, and I'll be checking the texture of the beans to see if it is cooked enough for me to add my rice. Perfect. Okay, I like my waakye very soft, so this is a perfect texture for me, guys. All right, so we'll then remove our sorghum leaves, and then I won't be throwing the sorghum leaves away, guys. I will freeze them and then reuse it again next time. My rice is thoroughly washed, so I'm adding my rice to my beans, okay? And then I'll mix it very well. Okay, and guys, if you don't like your waakye very soft, you can definitely take some of the water off. It is okay to do that. Yes, but we do like our waakye very soft. I'll then go ahead and add in my salt and then give it a mix. All right, and then I'll add in my 4 tablespoons of butter. Okay, so my salt was a half teaspoon, and then my butter is 4 tablespoons, and my butter is also salted, guys. All right, we'll then give it a mix. The butter makes the rice and beans very fluffy, and it adds so much flavor and deliciousness to the rice and beans. We'll cover and just let it boil for about 20 minutes. All right, so our rice and beans is looking good. All right, I'll then use a large fork to give it a mix or a stir. All right, so far so good. It is coming along very well, guys. And look at the beautiful color of the rice and beans. All right, so at this time, I'll get a large parchment paper and then cover my rice and beans to finish cooking. All right. And guys, when making rice and beans or waakye, there are so many sides that comes along with it. But I'll be having some spaghetti with my rice and beans. And of course, it is not authentic rice and beans if there's no spaghetti. I'll be using angel hair spaghetti. These are the very tiny spaghetti pasta. Yes, it is spaghetti, but it is smaller than the actual spaghetti. Okay? And I'm bringing that to a boil. All right, we'll then check it and see if it is cooked. Yes, it looks good and is well cooked. All right, and then let's begin making our gari. Gari is a granulated fried yuca, okay? And I'm adding 4 tablespoons of water to it just to make it a little firmer. All right, we'll then mix it. All right, and it is to the perfect texture that I wanted. Okay, and then I'll sprinkle salt into it. This is just a pinch of salt, and then we'll give it a mix. And then I'm adding some of my Waakye stew oil, which will give it a very nice yellowish or orange color. And then our scallions to really take the gari to a different level. It really adds so much flavor to the gari and it tastes amazing. Oh, tada! Our waakye is perfectly cooked, guys. This is how I like my waakye. We are now giving it a mix. Ooh, look at that. Perfect, perfect texture. This is exactly how I like it. Also, if you don't like your waakye very soft, what you can do is you can leave the lid open, and then what the rice does is it hardens a little bit. Yes, so the waakye would not be as soft or fluffy as it is. And guys, I present to you my waakye plate. And there is no authentic Ghana waakye without shito. Shito is a spicy shrimp sauce that we make to eat with various dishes. Guys, this is my waakye and it is delicious, perfect. I have a side of salad with that. I have avocado. I have 1 egg in it. All of these are various sides that goes with waakye. You can have it with fried plantain, guys. All right, guys. Thank you guys so much for your support. Thank you for tuning in today. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Please hit that notification so anytime I upload, you will be notified. God bless you and please stay safe. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.